So yeah, a lot of new things have been happening with the motorcycle. Obviously, I've already talked about my new new windscreen and top windscreen deflector thing, whatever you want to call it, windscreen deflector, I don't know. And got some new cases on my motorcycle. I've got the Shad Terra 47 side cases and the Shad Terra 55 top case. And man, they're huge, and I can pretty much bring the kitchen sink with me when I want to camp or go somewhere